Hi, welcome to Simple IELTS Solutions. I'm Simon. This video will look at a couple of questions and model answers from IELTS Speaking Part 3 about feeling pride and feeling proud. Now, for something different, I have one answer that I have prepared, and the second answer I have not prepared. I haven't looked at it. I've just written down the question. Let's see what I've prepared. We'll go through the vocabulary and then I'm going to answer the question that I haven't prepared an answer for. So if you keep watching to the end, you can see how I would tackle answering one of these questions without any preparation time at all, just like you would do on the IELTS speaking test. Is it good to reward children? It's an opinion question. Why don't you pause the video here and answer the question yourself? Without a doubt, it helps to encourage and motivate them to do well. If a child achieves a high score in his test at school, maybe the parents will buy him a new toy or a piece of technology. This could act as an incentive so that he will continue to try his best in his other subjects. Every tiny achievement should not be rewarded. Once in a while, a little positive reinforcement can go a long way. Let's look at the vocabulary I used there. So, cohesive device and discourse marker. Without a doubt. So that's basically saying definitely. So there's no doubt at all. Grammar, if a child achieves blah, blah, blah. So this is a conditional sentence. Remember, for your grammar, you've got to show lots of different grammar types. And conditional sentences are a good way for showing more advanced grammar to the examiner. Vocabulary-wise, we got encourage. And that's to give support and confidence. So if you encourage someone, you help them to get confidence and you give them support. To motivate is very similar. This is a verb, and that's to make someone want to do something. Incentive is a noun, and that's a thing that helps motivate or encourage. For example, if you're a salesman, your incentive to sell the cars might be that you get a bonus if you sell 5 cars. Once in a while is a phrase, and that basically means sometimes. Positive reinforcements, this is the collocation, and that's an action to make an outcome more likely in the future. If you reward your dog every time they sit down when they should and don't jump up at people with a little treat, that's positive reinforcement. And probably you're going to end up with a better behaved dog. To go a long way is an idiom because it's not talking about a distance, it's talking about something being very effective. I just want to tell you that if you want somewhere with teachers that can help you with your IELTS preparation, both speaking and writing, you can find lots of teachers and myself on a website called italki. This website's got thousands of teachers, and it's a really good place for you to hone your skills, to practice your skills before your test to make sure you're ready. With the link in the description below, you're going to get $10 for free when you sign up. Right, let's look at the next question. So, is it reasonable to reward children too often? I've prepared no answer. I'm going to play it by ear. Let me know in the comments below if you like me doing this, or if you prefer the pre-prepared answers with everything explained for you. I will explain the difficult words and idiomatic language just about here for you next to me. So, but this won't be at the end, it will be as I go along. So here we go. Is it reasonable to reward children too often? It's an opinion question. Absolutely not. It definitely would not be beneficial to reward everything that a child does or achieves, because it's going to set a dangerous precedent. It could actually demotivate them in some respects, because they won't actually do anything off their own bat. They won't want to perform well in a test or do well in the school play unless there's a incentive, unless there's some kind of reward that they know they're going to get if they do these things well. So I think it's much better to give children small rewards once in a while, particularly if they are not expecting them, and then they can become much more special for the child. Right, so there we have it. That was 2 IELTS speaking questions and model answers. Let me know in the comments below if you like me improvising my answers, or if you prefer me writing the answers down and then talking to you about the vocabulary. If you want to see how I answered another difficult part 3 question, check out this video here. If you want to see how I answered the difficult questions about headphones, check out this video here. Don't forget to hit that like button, and also you can share the video with anyone else you think it would be useful for. Great to see you. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.